Hi, I'm Kelly from Craft & More blog. I'm going to show you how to make some decorative ribbon candies. Here's what you'll need for this project. You'll need some ribbon, take some beads or buttons if you like, scissors of course, scraps of paper, hot glue gun, and of course, miniature chocolates. I'm going to make 2 chocolates. For the first one, this is a ribbon with a wire. First you measure out how much you need and you're going to wrap the candy. So I need about that much. I have 2 pairs of scissors. One I use for ribbon with wire and one I use for ribbon without wire. If you use the same pair of scissors for both, you're going to ruin your scissors. Once you know it's long enough, you can use it as a measure for all of your ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the other ribbon. I'm going to have the fold on the bottom side. So I put the chocolate upside down. And I take my hot glue gun. Just be careful with this because it is hot and you will burn your fingers inevitably at some point in this project if you're doing a lot of them. You don't have real long once you put the glue down, so a string of glue, wrap it around, put a lot of glue on, maybe use the back of your scissors, put it down. You don't want to put your fingers in it because it's really hot. And remember, the more hot glue you use, the more you melt the chocolate, so they'll try to find an equal balance between enough glue to hold the ribbon down, but not so you're melting the whole chocolate bar. So now that that's down, I'm going to glue the other side down. I'm going to cut off the excess ribbon. Now I'm going to do the same with the smaller ribbon. Now you can leave it like that, or you can cut out a little heart or something to put on top. There you go. Now we're going to do a second one with a bead. And for this one I know I want the fold on top, so I'll just do it opposite as I did the last one. And this is why the 1.5 inch ribbon works so perfectly, because it's really almost exactly the same size as the chocolate bar. It's also a great way to use the scraps in your ribbon collection. If you have any extra glue falling off, don't worry about it. Just wait until it cools a little bit and then pick it off. And there you go. If you find that you have some ribbon that you want to use that's larger than 1.5, this is some 2-inch ribbon I have. And you'll notice that it sort of obliterates the chocolate underneath it, which you might like. I like the chocolate sticking out a little bit on either end. But one thing you can easily do is take your scissors and just cut it. So that's 1.5 inches. You can use fabrics, you can use papers. It's a really great way to add a little special something to any holiday or wedding. That's it. Thanks for joining me today. I have a blog at craftamore.blogspot.com. I also have a monthly email newsletter. Email me at cherryandcoke@gmail.com and I'll add you to that. And thanks to Creative Catalyst for letting us borrow their studio for the weekend. Thanks.